Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce project costs with Wrike, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce project costs with Wrike, start by identifying all project components. Gather information on tasks, resources, and timelines to gain a clear overview. Next, create a detailed project plan within Wrike. Break down the project into manageable tasks and assign them to team members. Utilize Wrike's time tracking feature to monitor how long tasks take to complete. Encourage your team to update their progress regularly to maintain accurate records. Implement Wrike's budgeting tools to set financial parameters for each line item in the project. Track expenses in real time to identify any deviations from the original budget. Use the workload management feature to allocate resources efficiently. Reassign tasks based on availability to optimize team performance. Analyze historical project data to inform future budget estimates and improve accuracy. Conduct regular check-ins with the team to address any budget concerns promptly. Review project timelines to identify any areas where time savings can be achieved. Consider utilizing Wrike's reporting features to visualize budget performance effectively. Adjust your project plan based on the insights gained from these reports. Lastly, conduct a post-project review to gather learnings for future cost management. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce project costs using Wrike. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.